What if I told you there's one AI tool that helped me make over $10,000 in the past 90 days, without any special skills or upfront costs? That's right, no need for a fancy degree or thousands of dollars to invest. Just you, your computer, and the power of AI. And today, I'm giving you my exact blueprint to copy this system step by step. We're talking about the exact strategies I used, the mistakes I made so you don't have to, and all the tips and tricks to maximize your earnings. This isn't some theoretical mumbo-jumbo. I'm going to show you real-world examples, actual case studies, and hard proof that this system works. We're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of how to leverage AI to build your own online income stream. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've dabbled in online business before, this video is your one-stop shop to unlock the potential of AI for financial freedom. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to turn this AI tool into your personal money machine. We're talking about replacing your 9-to-5, achieving financial independence, and living on your own terms. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the power of AI together. Alright, let's get down to business. The first step to making money with AI is choosing the right model. Now, you don't need to reinvent the wheel here. I've done the hard work for you and identified 3 proven models that are crushing it right now. And the best part? These models work with any AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT, MidJourney, Copy.ai, or any other AI on the market. First, pick one of these 3 proven models that work with any AI tool like ChatGPT, MidJourney, or Copy.ai. 1. Sell AI-generated content like eBooks, social media templates, and SEO articles. This is where I started, and let me tell you, it's a gold mine. The demand for high-quality content is through the roof, and AI can create it in a fraction of the time it would take you manually. We're talking about eBooks on hot topics, social media templates that businesses are dying for, and SEO articles that drive traffic and boost rankings. 2. Automate freelance services like logo design, video editing, and copywriting. Remember those freelance gigs that used to take you hours, if not days, to complete? Well, AI can automate a huge chunk of that work, allowing you to take on more clients and skyrocket your income. Logo design, video editing, copywriting, you name it, AI can handle it, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. 3. Create and sell AI done-for-you tools like custom chatbots and prompt libraries. This is next-level stuff, guys. We're talking about creating your own AI-powered tools and selling them for a recurring income. Imagine building a custom chatbot that businesses can use to automate their customer service, or a library of prompts that helps people get the most out of ChatGPT. The possibilities are endless. I made $6,200 last month with model number 1. Here's exactly how. Now, I know you're eager to see the money, and trust me, we'll get there. But the key to long-term success is choosing a model that aligns with your interests and skills. Don't just chase the shiny object. Think about what you enjoy doing, what you're good at, and what problems you can solve with AI. Once you've found your niche, it's time to move on to step 2, creating your product. Let's say you choose AI-generated ebooks. Open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Act as a best-selling author. Create a 10-chapter outline for a book titled, Your Niche Secrets: How to Solve a Problem in 2024. Include case studies, actionable steps, and viral storytelling. Now for the fun part, using the AI tool to create your product. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to do this. In fact, it's as simple as copying and pasting. Let's say you decided to go with the first model, selling AI-generated ebooks. All you have to do is open up your AI tool of choice, like ChatGPT, and give it a specific prompt. For example, you could say something like, act as a best-selling author. Create a 10-chapter outline for a book titled, Your Niche Secrets: How to Solve a Problem in 2024. Include case studies, actionable steps, and viral storytelling. Hit enter, and watch in amazement as the AI generates a comprehensive book outline for you, complete with chapter titles, subheadings, and even ideas for case studies and stories. Boom, you've got a high-value product in 10 minutes. Now use Canva to design the ebook and list it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Fiverr. Charge $50 to $200 per copy. And just like that, you've got the foundation for a high-value product that people are willing to pay for. But we're not stopping there. We need to package this content into a professional-looking ebook. That's where Canva comes in. Canva is a free design tool that makes it incredibly easy to create stunning visuals, even if you have zero design experience. Simply choose a template, drag and drop your content, and voila. You've got a professional-looking ebook ready to sell. Now, it's time to get your product in front of potential buyers. And the beauty of the internet is that there are countless platforms where you can sell digital products like ebooks. Etsy is a great option for creative entrepreneurs. Gumroad is perfect for selling directly to your audience. And Fiverr is ideal for offering your services as a freelancer. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your target market and pricing strategy. Remember, you're not just selling an ebook here, you're selling a solution to a problem. so make sure your product description highlights the benefits of your ebook and how it can help people achieve their goals. Don't be afraid to charge a premium price for your product, especially if it's packed with valuable information and insights. Chapter 3. Scale to $10,000 per month. Alright, let's talk about scaling your AI business to $10,000 per month and beyond. Because here's the thing. Once you've got a proven product and a sales process in place, the sky's the limit. And the best part? You can achieve massive scale without putting in a ton of extra work. How, you ask? By leveraging the power of automation and delegation. Remember how easy it was to create one ebook using AI? Now imagine creating 100 ebooks in the same amount of time. That's the power of AI bulk content creation. With the right tools and strategies, you can automate the entire content creation process, from generating ideas to writing and editing. Once you've got a library of products, it's time to put your marketing hat on and get those products in front of as many eyeballs as possible. And what better way to do that than with targeted Facebook ads? But here's the kicker. You can even use AI to write your ad copy for you. That's right, ChatGPT can generate compelling ad copy that converts, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your business. And if you really want to take your business to the next level, consider partnering with affiliates. Affiliates are people who promote your products or services in exchange for a commission. This is a win-win situation because it allows you to tap into a wider audience and generate more sales without doing any extra work. The key takeaway here is that you don't need to be a one-person show. By leveraging the power of AI, automation, and delegation, you can build a scalable and sustainable business that generates passive income for years to come. Remember, the name of the game is to work smarter, not harder. So embrace the power of technology and let it do the heavy lifting for you. Chapter 4. Real-world example and results. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but does this stuff actually work in the real world? And the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, I've seen countless students and followers achieve incredible results using these exact methods. Take Sarah, for example. Sarah was a college student struggling to make ends meet. She was tired of living paycheck to paycheck and wanted to find a way to create a better future for herself. That's when she stumbled across my YouTube channel and discovered the power of AI. Sarah decided to start by selling AI-generated recipe ebooks on Etsy. She was passionate about cooking and knew that there was a huge demand for easy and delicious recipes. She spent a few hours refining her ChatGPT prompts and was able to generate dozens of high-quality recipe ebooks in no time. She listed her ebooks on Etsy for $47 each and started promoting them on social media and in relevant Facebook groups. Within a few weeks, she made her first sale. And then another, and another. Fast forward 2 months, and Sarah had sold over 127 ebooks, generating over $5,969 in pure profit. And the best part? Sarah was able to achieve these incredible results by dedicating just 1 hour per day to her business. She focused on refining her ChatGPT prompts, creating high-quality ebooks, and promoting them to the right audience. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that anyone can achieve financial freedom with AI, regardless of their age, experience, or technical skills. All it takes is a willingness to learn, a strong work ethic, and the right strategies. So there you have it, my proven blueprint for unlocking $10,000 per month or more with AI. I've shown you the exact steps, the tools you need, and real-world examples of people just like you who are crushing it with AI. Now it's time for you to take action. If you're ready to start, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm dropping a free AI profit checklist in the next 24 hours to everyone on this channel. Comment AI money below so I can DM you bonus prompts. One last thing, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, but if I can do it, you can too. Now go make that $10,000. Remember, the future belongs to those who are willing to embrace new technologies and leverage them to their advantage. And with AI, the possibilities are truly limitless. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and make it happen.